New character unlock. Kukunin ko na rin yan later. Sayang. So medyo marami tao ngayon. Yun yung isang record. Pag-Japan. Pero if that's what you like, di ba, maganda. Go. Ang ganda ng location, guys. I cross immigration, may QR ako dito. So I always recommend to do the Visit Japan na wag na kayong kasi may ibang tao, di ba, parang gusto nila may paper. Huwag na kayo mag-paper, sayang kayong paper. So please, as much as possible, paperless tayo. Pwede lang naman. Pero kung nakalimutan nyo naman, may paper naman dyan. But if possible, online, digital, scan lang nila, mas madali. Katawa, tinanong nila, bakit daw yung passport ko puno-punong post-it? Sabi ko, binablock ko lang siya kasi sayang sa papel. Char, yun sabi ko, baka kasi snap ng mga tao noon. Anyways, I'm gonna ride the train to go to the city. And then, guys, bababa tayo to go to the train from the airport. And guys, yun yung train natin. Gusto ko, sariling sikap with dalawang bag. Pero carry natin to. We decided to do this. So, train natin, Keisei Lane tayo, yung KS. Or pwede rin naman Narita Express. Pero Keisei yung meron tayo, so Skyliner tayo. Ayan yung Keisei Lane. So, dyan tayo, mag-trade. To buy ticket, dyan yan. So guys, ito nabili ko na to sa Klook, diba? So, ito-trade ko siya dito. But when you're trading this, ito bawal, diba? Dun ka lang sa 4 and 5 pwede. Yung blue. So, papakita ko sa inyo in a bit. Okay guys, gawin na natin to. English. And then Skyliner tayo. Code exchange. And then display your code.
Please follow the instructions shown on the screen.
Continue to issue today. 4 o'clock. 4:02. Keisei Lane. Specify C. Okay, let's see. Lahat para may katabi, guys. Dead mo na. Pili na natin ang 13. May issue ticket. And then, issue the ticket. Tara, let's go na. Pasok mga natin ticket. And then, don't forget, kunin nyo yung ticket na yan. Baka makalimutan nyo yan. Now guys, ticket ko is 402-02-46. And then, 46 how? So, 46 yung una dyan sa TV. And then, time yung time. So, dyan ako sa track 1. Track 1. So, dyan, no? Ayan. So, go na tayo sa track 1. Track 1 sa left side lang. So, ayan, no? Dito, track 1 tayo. And this is it. Ayan yung track 1, guys. And then dyan yan siya. Track 1. Medyo may pila dito, guys. So talaga car 2 ka, pila ka talaga. So dapat pumila. As in. So dapat naka-reserve. Pero itong time ko, guys, daming bumaba. So medyo maraming tao ngayon. Ayan, no, makita nyo kung anong number. Yan yung car. So 3 to. Yung 2 kasi nandyan. So 2 yun. Guys, so ito na yung train natin. So kanina hindi ako nag-video kasi may katabi ako. Ganito yung tsura ng train mo. Mas tahimik na. And then guys, may saksakan dyan. Oh. And ang so, next station siya. Last station ako yung Ueno. Keisei Ueno. Diba, pwede mong church pa. And may table ka pa dito. Back. O, diba? O, yun muna. Keisei Ueno.
All of your belongings. We look forward to having you on board again soon.
Okay, train naman ako going to the hotel. So, H lane ako, guys. And then, laging may escalator, or elevator pala, I mean. Hahanapin mo lang. Meron niyang way. Paminsan, most likely, pag malaking station, meron kang elevator. So, if PWD or mga senior-friendly, laging big stations ang reco kung mag-stay ka para laging may elevator. Yun yung isang reco. Pag-Japan. Guys, ay natin mo may elevator dito. Perfect. Perfect yung hotel. May elevator sa side. Oh. Booch. Guys, ito na yung exit to. Tingnan mo. Mitsukoshi. Everything else is just out here. Okay, time to walk to my hotel now. Gosh, parang lapit ng hotel ko. Wait lang. It's there. Okay. Hindi ko malapit na yung hotel. Just need to double check sa saan siya. Ayan. Tawid. Yun na. Mali ako. Dapat alam ko tumawid. Yun na. A-loft. Ang ganda ng location, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Love this place. Ito na yun. A-loft Ginza. Room tour tayo. Oh my gosh. Can I just show you? Okay. Pagpasok mo, unang-una, luggage rack mo. Then here, you have all of your safety deposit. And then, bathrobes. Diba? Very Japanese. Tapos guys, nandito na. Sink. Toiletries. Toiletries mo, towels mo, lotion. Guys, everything's provided here. You even have your own vanity chair, diba? Then, yung shower mo, provided na rin lahat. Shower gel, conditioner, shampoo. Tapos, nandyan rin yung 2 types of shower head mo. And a big mirror here. Tapos dito, guys, water closet. So, yung parang inodoro mo, and then you can close the room. So, if ever man. And then, syempre nagtatanong, may bidet? Yes, may bidet. Toto po siya lahat. Ang ganda! And then, here inside, nandito yung hangers mo. Tapos, nandito yung pang-luggage rack mo as well. Slippers, shoe mitt, lahat nandyan yan. You have your hair dryer here. And then, here naman, steamer. So, if ever hindi ka nakatata, lahat meron siya provided yan. Then, meron kang sopa na maliit, table. And then, you have your mini bar here. Water is provided. Ito, dala ko to. So, kettle and then coffee mo. Guys, mo yung coffee nila ha. Talagang yung drip coffee yan. And then you have your parang ref here as well. Tapos ang dami yan. May mga plugs everywhere that you go. And then this room, I got a twin sharing. And ang laki ng kwarto na to. Tapos kung titingnan nyo dito, may saksakan, USB cord, ports, lahat nandito na siya. Pencil, paper mo, nandyan na. You also have a TV if ever you need. Guys, just say, as in, ito yung parang nakita ko kanina nung nagsistay lang ako dito, nung makita ko, Higashi Ginza Station, 2-minute walk, kasing konting tulak lang, so ayun na yun. Tapos yung exit niya, may elevator. So if ever bababa ka with PWD, with your senior citizen, hindi mahirapan. Tapos, konting lakad lang doon, lahat shopping mall na. Ginza 6, nandyan na. Tapos, ano pa yung maganda dito? Sa labas, syempre may mga convenience store, and A-Loft being very A-Loft, para siyang mas murang W kasi yung W mahal. So ito yung pero mas lively nga. Kung nakita mo yung mga designs dito, diba? Very buhay na buhay. Parang, baka sabihin ng iba, grabe naman ito, daming kulay. Pero if that's what you like, diba? Maganda. Go for it. And then, later we'll also get a free drink. Mas ano eh? Ito, may free drink daw eh. So, ayan, 1 free drink ako. Bar hours up until 8 o'clock daw, diba? So, kukunin ko na rin yan later. Sayang eh. The lobby, oh. Ganda rin. Guys, ito yung lobby, oh. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. May popcorn pa. And then, ito yung pwede ka uminom dyan for later for drinks. You can get the free drinks here. I love it. Order of business, withdraw cash para alam ko na lahat ng mga kailangan kong withdraw. And then, I will take a photo of the hotel outside. Ayan siya. And then, if you're gonna look, Mitsui Garden, may ibang hotel, duplex, then there's a Lawson here, so sobrang lapit. You can just cross it. So, Lawson Bank tayo, guys. Alam ko, pwede to eh, walang fee rin to eh. Ay, may fee. But, ayan natin. Ayan, may 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven's there. You see it?
Welcome.
Zero. Kasi mo compare mo ay 4,000 na yan ha guys, tingnan mo lang yan. So don't compare. Diba dito ka dapat. Taran! Zero! Diba?
Thank you.
It's card. Ayaw mo sir. Cards work. I got my stuff. So I use a credit card. Yung Metro Bank, napansin ko lang, usually gusto niya insert. So if for example nag-fail sa tap, insert it. So yun yun. Maganda yung rates nun. So usually I just interchange yung mga rates para from time to time nakikita ko, okay maganda ba yung mga rates? Okay ba yung rates? Ganun yung ginagawa ko para at least lagi tayong aware, di ba, na parang okay may maganda bang rates. So nag-withdraw ako with a GCash card. Mastercard yun. Zero fees. I'll check my phone later to show you kung kamusta yung rate niya. I'll just go to the room pero papakita ko sa inyo. Okay guys, so let's just check the rates of GCash, no? Dismiss na yung drink water. So, okay, so nag-SMS. Let's see, GCash. Sa app ko yan na usually. GCash. So sa GCash ko, ang chinarge sa akin guys was 3,885. 3385.76 for 10,000 yen. Now we go to Mastercard website, Mastercard Forex, diba? We always do that. So ito yan, real time na natin siya gawin para lagi tayong JPY, Japan Yen. Transaction amount is 10,000 to PHP. And then bank fee here is 0. So syempre 0 kasi siya, wala naman talaga. Okay, and then the date of transaction is today. And then ayan siya, di ba? 3385.76 rin siya. Just take a screenshot here para malagyan sa video. 3385.76. That's why the GCash Mastercard, yun talaga yung maganda when you're going to withdraw it here. So, if ever gusto mong pag-isipan nyo, yun. Now you know, guys. So, I have my sandwiches. Magbuhat tayo ng kamay pala kasi galing tayo sa labas. Hindi ko alam na sobrang mahal pala ng hotel na to. Nakuha ko siya with my Marriott points kasi. So, I'll tell you about it. As in, maingay lang ngayon. Ay! Natapon. Pero ikwento ko sa inyo yan. Oh, nasa Omoido Yokocho kami.
Yeah.
Oh, a new character unlocked.
Welcome to Japan.
So, lahat to yakitori. Oh my gosh. Sa Shinjuku to. Kasi alam ni Archie, favorite ko ang Shinjuku. Ito talaga oh. Si Archie na magdadala sa atin. Tingnan nyo.
Parang ito yung mas lupan. Di ba? Ayan.
Gusto ko mga ganito eskinita.
Ayan. Oh.
Ay, sorry. Ayan. Okay, mamimili na muna kami.
Pero dito yung masarap. May
Ayan.
sinainan ako dito.
So dito daw.
Pero pare-pares lang naman yun. Kasi ihaw-ihaw lang.
Ay, alam mo, may isa sa Shibuya talaga. Meat Man. Ang sarap.
I mean yung...
Life. It's life. Morning, guys. Grabe. I had a really nice sleep. So, naka-late check out naman ako today. So, before I head out later, kasi today is Creativerse Day 1, I'm gonna check out the breakfast sa baba kasi may breakfast tayo. Day 1 na, pupunta tayo sa Toyosumanyo. May ilaw